Good day, crafty chums, and the swap this week is going to be a little toilet paper roll, kitchen roll, notebook swap. And of course it's made of kitchen roll in my case, because I just don't like using toilet paper on things, and you know, it's like it's a little bit but you can make toilet paper roll if it doesn't freak you out or anything. And so this is the little kitchen roll notebook, and I've done a little tutorial on how to make the cover and that, and then to bind it all you're using is hair bands. So it's a hairband on the pages there. I've just quickly put the pages together just to show you. And so you just wrap a hairband, ordinary hairband, hair tie, whatever you like to call it, around the book, and then you just attach another one to that and it goes over, and that's how the book's kept closed. And so I thought it would be a really cute idea to do as our swap, a decorated little notebook swap. You don't necessarily have to use the kitchen roll. This is just a recycled thing. You can actually use a little bit of cardstock or whatever, cardboard box, anything like that. I've got one here. I've got one here that I'm going to use it for a gluten-free porridge one that I'm going to use for something else. But you could actually just cut the size that you want and use that if you wanted to. Up to you, really. Hope you like it. Hope you're going to join in the swap. See you again soon. Tutorial to follow. Bye. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need toilet roll or kitchen roll and an envelope. And to decide how big we're going to make the journal, we're going to get an envelope and measure. So I want mine to be this big. Okay, and we're just going to cut, because what we're doing is we're going to make it to the size to fit inside the envelope. No bigger. Whatever size your envelope is will determine the size of your journal. So we just cut along here, just cut along the one edge, and open it out. Of course this will be your spine, and we're going to decorate it. And you can decorate it however you want. I'm going to use tissue paper on mine, and so I'll just fast forward in what I'm doing now and enjoy. this idea came from Kathy at Kathy Rose Creations. I saw a little vlog she did and thought, oh, that's a fantastic idea for a swap. She got it from someone else. She couldn't remember who it was, but she put a link in a post. But so I'll link to Kathy, and then you can find the other link for the original from there. I don't have that much internet to do searches around for it, so I apologise to whoever she saw who sent it, but this is where I got the idea from. See you again. Bye.